In this video, I show you how to deactivate, remove or uninstall device admin app on Android phone. For doing this, go to settings, then tap on search settings. Now search for device admin app. Tap on device admin apps. Tap on device admin apps again. Then tap on find app. Which app you want to uninstall. Turn off this from here. Tap on deactivate this device admin app. Now go back to settings, then go to apps. Now search for find app or which app you want to uninstall, then tap on uninstall. Okay, now I hope that you can deactivate, remove or uninstall device admin app on Android phone. Thanks for watching.